Hey everybody, Scott here from Camco. Today I'm going to tell you about the RhinoFLEX Sewer Hoses and Kits. The RhinoFLEX Sewer Hose is made of 23 mils of durable polyolefin and is reinforced with a steel wire. The thickness and durability of the polyolefin is much tougher than standard vinyl sewer hoses. In fact, it's the world's toughest sewer hose. The RhinoFLEX hose features secure compression, allowing you to extend only as much hose as you need, or you can bend it and shape it however you want, and it holds its shape, making it easier to handle. The RhinoFLEX is available in a ready-to-use 15-foot kit, a ready-to-use 20-foot kit, a 5-foot extension, and a 10-foot extension. The ready-to-use 15-foot kit comes with a pre-attached swivel bayonet fitting and a pre-attached transparent elbow fitting with 4-in-1 adapter. The transparent elbow allows you to clearly see when your tank is empty, and the 4-in-1 adapter helps to securely connect to the 3-inch slip or 3-inch, 3.5-inch, and 4-inch NPT threaded sewer connections. The 4-in-1 also detaches so that you can easily store your kit in your RV bumper. The 15-foot kit also comes with storage caps. The ready-to-use 20-foot kit comes with two 10-foot extensions, each with pre-attached swivel bayonet and swivel lug fittings, and a removable transparent elbow with detachable 4-in-1 adapter. The 20-foot kit also comes with storage caps and a bonus pack of RV toilet treatment. The RhinoFLEX 5-foot and 10-foot extensions each come with pre-attached swivel bayonet and swivel lug fittings. So there you have it, the RhinoFLEX Sewer Hoses and Kits from Camco. If you don't have one, you should get one today.
Camco.net.